अपनी मम्मी को किसी तरह से सपोर्ट करने की कभी सोची?
मैं तो अम्मा, she just got some toast for me. She thought I should eat because I was wilting with hunger. So
ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीजें जब मुझे लगता है कि अम्मा अभी, मैं आपको बताऊंगी नहीं उनकी उम्र क्या है क्योंकि बहुत करीब बैठी हैं, तो लेकिन ऑब्वियसली आई फील वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव और मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो कंफर्टेबल रहे. उनको पानी की ज़रूरत है या अभी हम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं तो यू नो विल शी बी ओके, तो आई फील, लेकिन वो खुद इतनी मजबूत है और हमेशा से इतनी इंडिपेंडेंट रही हैं और उनके पसंद इतने फर्म और बन चुके हैं अब तक. तो मैं जब छोटी थी हम स्कूल ट्रिप्स पे जाते थे और हमेशा मैं अम्मा के लिए, या तो जब हम आगरा जाते थे तो एक ताजमहल में खरीदती थी, या हम उदयपुर गए तो मैंने कुछ हैंडीक्राफ्ट या कुछ सैलेड का कुछ फॉर्क और नाइफ खरीदा था. एंड शी वुड वेरी हैप्पीली एक्सेप्ट इट एंड देन पुट इट अवे एंड आई वुड नेवर सी इट अगेन. So then I quickly realized that she knows what she likes. So I try, हम actually हमेशा हर साल लंदन जाते हैं, अभी अगले महीने जाएंगे और वहाँ पे of course हमें यहाँ पे घर में बहुत support staff मिलता है, वहाँ पे नहीं मिलती है. So then I'm aware of how I can help, and I can help carry groceries, and you know that's where I can be of assistance. Otherwise, she's really very strong and independent.
She's always made me a part of you know, all her special firsts. You know, like whether her first day in school, first day in college, first day of anything. So, you know, it's very special that she includes us in everything. So I think it's nice to be wanted by your children, and you know, they share their happiness and their feelings with you. So I think to that extent I feel very fortunate.
Ma'am, any instance, if you would share with us, of one of these special moments of your life with Soha?
Now, the moment you say that, I just go blank. Because I think it's, you know, every day these little things that are always there. And whenever I have to make a decision, I mean, for instance, she's going to teach me how to do Skype, for instance. She's going to put that in for me. Like when I said I can't do SMSs, she says, of course, Amma, you can. And she taught me in 5 minutes because she's a very patient and a good teacher. My other daughter scolds me too much. And she says, you know, so she says, so I just can't do it. I get nervous. But whereas she's patient and she teaches me, and I learn it very well. So there are these give and takes continuously. There are certain things that she knows much better than I do. And she does it very quickly and without fuss, and which helps me. So I often ask her advice and ask her if I'm in two minds, and now that Tiger is not there, I often ask Soha that what should I do? Should I do this or should I do that?
Well, that definitely is a beautiful bond of give and take, which is something even I share with my mom here. So I think every mother-daughter does have these simple but beautiful moments in their life. है ना माँ?
याद आती है मुझे अपनी माँ स्वर्गीय निर्मला देवी जी की, जो क्लासिकल सिंगर थी, बहुत बड़ी इस देश की. और माँ बेटी की ये अनूठी जोड़ी आपके सामने है, श्रीमती शर्मिला जी और सोहा जी. आदरणीय शर्मिला जी और सोहा जी से मैं इस अभियान का अनावरण करने का अब अनुरोध करती हूँ.
No, ma'am. I think there's a... Sorry for the miscommunication. Beautiful anthem which we would like for you guys to hear. Can we please play?
I'll tell you, in December last year, 6 months back, I built my studio, and it's been 6 months now that I've been functioning in that studio, and this is my first work out from that studio. And this is the first project that's out from that studio. This is a this is a great vastu for me, as we were discussing with Arun. It's a great vastu for me that it's starting off with such great cause, and I'm so honored and so proud to be associated with a cause like this. And Clinic Plus is a great initiative and movement for the child education and girl child education especially. And today, whatever I am today, wherever I have reached today, the entire credit goes to my mother, from the childhood till whatever age I am today and whatever success I have achieved. That entire credit goes to my mother, who's a woman, and my wife. And they are, she's here. And it's a fundamental right of women to have this education. And I'm so proud to be associated with this. And I really thank Arun for actually calling me for this, to come up with a jingle for this. And another reason was being associated with Gulzar Saab, who has written such beautiful words, such beautiful lyrics, which has, just by reading the words like Dar Faldar hai, kuch pakne do na, beti honar hai, aur padhne do na, bas ek saal aur. Just by reading those lines, it just evokes the feelings, those emotions inside you, that you want to compose a beautiful tune. And the best person I had was Kavita Seth, who is mother of two herself. And yeah, that's how the song happened.
Kavita?
मुझे जब अमित ने बुलाया इस सॉन्ग के बारे में बताया तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि एक औरत होने के नाते और इस कॉज से मैं जुड़ रही हूँ, तो इससे बेहतरीन कोई बात नहीं हो सकती. और हमेशा ही वुमेन राइट्स को लेके बहुत मैं काफ़ी पॉजेसिव रही हूँ, और कुछ भी बात होती है तो मुझे लगता नहीं हमको ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, काफ़ी घर में भी पंगे लेती रहती थी. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे कि मैं इस कॉज के साथ जुड़ रही हूँ. और एक शायद हम लोग एक आर्टिस्ट होने के नाते अपनी म्यूज़िक के द्वारा या अपनी आर्ट के द्वारा ही सोसाइटी की सेवा कर सकते हैं. तो मुझे लगा इससे बेहतरीन मौका और कोई नहीं हो सकता. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम पार्ट ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग एंड क्रेडिट गोज टू अमित. अ ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्पोजिशन आई सैंग. थैंक्स. बड़े से बड़ा मकाम छुआ, बुलंदियों का बड़े से बड़ा मकाम छुआ, उठाया गोद में माँ ने तब आसमान छुआ.